The Willow Street Design WSD 2000 automated thermoformer. Now, all of our automated thermoformers offer a twin post locating feature. Now, it's a problem for how are you going to locate a part whenever you're trying to thermoform something. It could be anywhere in there. Locating features are standard. Twin post is a unique arrangement where you have a hole and a slot. Now, what's interesting about this is that whenever it thermoforms, it creates a pocket around that second post there on the left. As the plastic cools, after it has been removed from the forming platform, it contracts, which now makes it slightly smaller than a post when you would use that on all of the other equipment that requires registration, exact location of the part. You have these twin posts in your automated cutter or your laser marker, and then this pocket serves as a grip, and it has a very interesting locking, very tight location so that you understand where your part is.